anemoids. Hey, watch it, fellers. Boy, those jets are murder. My flying days are over. I'll find a nice, quiet cottage and move in. Oh, rocking chair, here I come. Cousin, how are ya, how are ya, how are ya? Shake hands with your new roommate. I'll take a shower and then we'll lunch. Be trying to tell me something. Whatever it is, cousin, tell me later. Now go out and play.
A woodpecker? In your house? And he kicked you out? Now, don't get excited. Be calm. I'll take care of him.
Did you ever know it to fail? Whatever you're selling, Buster, I don't want any.
Woodpecker, may I talk to you, please?
I told you I don't want any. Boy, what a pest.
Beak, I own that house, and I'll give you 5 seconds to leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You asked for it, Woodpecker, and now you are going to get it. Okay, turn it on.
Now I'll have a little peace and quiet around here.